Welcome to another Castelo construction project. This project is renovating a 3-year-old swimming pool. Yes, you heard correctly, the pool was only 3 years old. It was leaking water heavily and the area around the pool was very uneven and unattractive. When we removed the liner, we immediately found that very little concrete had been used in the base and no reinforcing iron at all. In fact, the sinking base had split the liner and this was the cause of the leak. We removed the old floor and cast a new one with steel reinforcing and mesh. A new tank was constructed at one end to allow the fitting of an electric slatted cover for the pool. A structural ring was cast encircling the top of the pool, and the whole area around the pool was leveled and a reinforced concrete base laid. The liner was put in place and capping stones laid around the pool edge. The rest of the surrounding area was laid in non-slip slabs. The existing pool equipment had been sunk in the ground next to a storm drain, which, had it got blocked, would have flooded the equipment. Not a good idea. This potential disaster was avoided by building a new pool house. We used the opportunity to add a tiled gazebo to the side. To complement the reinvestment in his pool, the client upgraded to a fully automatic saltwater system. A very happy customer and a pool built to last.